Hey folks, if you're watching this, that means you probably got this video in an email and you are a premium member. So periodically I do these specific videos just for you guys. So we've gotten quite a few new premium members lately, so this may be the first time that you've seen a video directly from me to you. So you should have gotten a link to this in your email. There's several different things I want to go over. First thing is thank you so much for being a premium member. We consider you guys to be kind of like the core of our group of viewers and watchers. And so we want to acknowledge you guys on a regular basis, and I'm going to try and get better at that. But we really want to thank you guys for, you know, it costs you 10 bucks a month. And we want to acknowledge the fact that we don't take that for granted, that we absolutely love the fact that you guys support us in this way. And we want to give you guys as much value as we possibly can for that money that you're spending. So I've got some notes here. So if I look down and up, I want to make sure that I cover everything. So we are just so humbled and grateful for all the great comments and you guys watching us, let alone paying for the premium membership. So remember, if you're paying for a premium membership, you're paying like 10 bucks a month, and if you're not using it, then it really doesn't make sense. Now, I know that there's some of you that are actually paying the $10 a month and you're not necessarily using the free router bit sharpening, or you're not ordering stuff, but you're doing it just as a support to us. And I can't even tell you how heartwarming that is. It's amazing. So thank you for that, for you guys that aren't using it. But here's the thing, and I know that I've done this in the past, I've subscribed to something and then just kind of put it off. But if you guys aren't using this, I'm imploring you that if, you know, that 10 bucks a month is something that you can't afford, stop it. And it's easy to do. Just send me an email and I will cancel it out for you. I would rather, I hate the idea of you guys being subscribed to something that either you're not using and it puts a bad taste in your mouth because you just haven't taken the time to cancel it out. And I don't want, I never want that to be. If you guys want to support us in that way and you're not using it every month, you know, I am unbelievably grateful for that, because you guys really do a great job at supporting us. But I also want you to get a value out of that. So put me to work. Send me your router bits, you know, obviously the ones that you buy from us, you know, anything that I can do to help. I want you guys to let me know. Don't feel bad about emailing me. Anything that I can do to help you guys, that's why I'm here. That's my job. So especially for you premium members, because you guys are paying for it. So let me see. I'm trying to think of what else that I think that's about it, guys. We are going to be, if you guys have ideas that for future videos, I really take that into account. If you guys want to see something that you haven't seen, if you guys are trying to find a video within our channel that you can't find, just hit me up. I'll see if I can find it for you, send you a link. But I really want you guys to know how much we appreciate you and appreciate, you know, your hard-earned dollars, your hard-earned money that you're spending. Vicky's laughing at me from behind the camera as she's going through her tools. So sorry I'm boring you here, Vic. Anyway,
I got a new toolbox.
She got a new toolbox and she's over there playing. So that's what the clinking is in the background. Anyway, you know, just again, I'm so humbled, so grateful that you guys take the time to watch us, let alone pay us $10 a month. So remember, as far as sending in the router bits, make sure that they're in their tubes, or if nothing else, wrap them with masking tape and make sure that they're protected when you're sending them in to get them reground. The only ones that we don't regrind are the spiral upcut bits. If you haven't got your free template, you'll get a free template every month, but you know, we save those up and keep track of them for when you do send router bits or you order. Those will all come. This is especially for you brand new premium members. What else? We
do not send them out every month, but
yeah,
people get caught up when they have.
Yeah. Exactly. So we don't send them out every month, because that would cost us $7-8 just to ship those out by themselves. So $7-8 every time we send those out. But if we're sending something to you anyway, we'll make sure that those all, you know, get caught up when we do send something to you. That saves us from having to ship to you every month, single month, unless we're sending you something anyway. Now I'm just rambling, but I think that is about it. That kind of covers all my notes. Thanks so much, guys. We so appreciate it, and be sure and let me know if I can do anything for you, or if you want to cancel your premium membership. It's as easy as just replying to this email and letting us know, and I will take care of it for you and confirm back for you. So that's it, guys. I'm hoping that it won't be a big span of time before you hear from me again as premium members. Thank you so much. We love you all, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.